so I'm going to start off by tying at the end, as usual, and then on your right hip, you want to tuck it in. It's flat and nice and neat when you're tucking it in all the way around. So then what you do now is you do one spin all the way around, and then you want to tuck in all of this extra material. And so your saree needs to touch the floor and not be hanging on, not be dragging the floor, but just touching the floor. And then you want it all nice and neat all the way around. Now what you can do is you're going to bring the pleated end. So if you want to see how to pleat this, just click in the iBar here and you can look at the video on how to pleat your tongal. And then so you bring this around, right? So you bring this around and you put this on your shoulder, and then you want to, now you have this loop in between that you need to pleat, like so, right? So now what you need to do is you need to bring this like this material here, and bring it parallel to this piece of fabric here. So it's like parallel, do you see? Pin it. And you can cover it, you can pin it lower or higher depending on what you like. And then what you do is, now you want to pleat this material here. So what I do is, I start with, so you grab this material that we just pinned down and you bring it up, and you want to start by pleating. So I don't want to do it too tight because otherwise the pleats will come this side, so that's why I'm going to leave this pleat out. Now what you want to do is you want to arrange these pleats neatly and spread them out. Can you see what I'm doing there? And then you want to make sure all of this material is lined up like so, and pin it together like so. You see? And then all your pleats will form nicely so that they are flared out at the bottom. Then once you've arrange your pleats, what you now need to do is just make sure they fall nicely like so, and then you want to tuck it in. You want to tuck it in right where your belly button is, and then you want to take a big pin like this, and you want to pin it, falls neatly, and then you just want to arrange all your pleats neatly, and then get someone to pin the pleats at the back. And that's basically the tutorial on how to pleat a cotton saree. It's so easy to wear and easy to drape. I just love cotton sarees, and I hope this has been useful to all the people that have requested how to drape a cotton saree, and I will see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below what other sarees that you want me to drape next, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!